Mālō lelei ngahi maheni. Okua fia homo lava mai he ahoni. Hi friends, I'm so happy you're here with us today. Ahoni te tau talanoa ki he whanga manu. Today we're talking about animals. Te ke lava tokoni mai, ke kumi e whanga manu. Can you help me find the animals? Iyo! Taukamata! Yay! Let's begin. Ko feia e puaka. Ko feia e puaka. Where's the pig? Ko e puaka. There's the pig. Happy. Koi ha e tangi e puaka. What does the pig say? Good job! Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. That's what the pig says. Puaka. Puaka. Ko feia e pulu. Ko feia e pulu. Where's the cow? Ko e pulu. There's the cow. Papaki. Koi hai tangi e pulu. What does the cow say? Eyo! Moo! Moo! Good job! Pulu! Pulu! Ko feia e kuri. Ko feia e kuri. Where's the dog? Koe kuli. There's the dog. Papaki. Koe hai tangi e kuri. What does the dog say? Good job. That's what the dog says. Kuri, kuri. Ko feia e hosi. Ko feia e hosi. Where's the horse? Ko e hosi. There's the horse. Koi ha e tangi e hosi. What does the horse say? Good job! Neigh! Neigh! Meh! That's what the horse says. Hosi. Hosi. Ko feia e moa. Ko feia e moa. Where's the chicken? Ko e moa. There's the chicken. Papaki. Koi hai tangi e moa. What does the chicken say? Eyo! That's what the chicken said. Moa, moa. Ko feia e sipi. Ko feia e sipi. Where's the sheep? Ko e Sleepy. There's the sheep. Bye, Foxy. Koi hai tangi e sipi. What does the sheep say? Eo, ba, ba. That's what the sheep says. Sipi, sipi. Kofeia e pato. Kofeia e pato. Where's the duck? Ko e pato. There's the duck. Papaku. Koi hai tangi e pato. What does the duck say? Ew! Quack, 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 quack. That's what the duck said. Oh, MacDonald, Jenny farmer, E-I-E-I-O. Vea farmer, E-I, and a horsey, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Oh, MacDonald, Jenny farmer, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, MacDonald, Jenny farmer, E-I-E-I-O. Vea farmer, E-I, and a moa, E-I-E-I-O. With a buck here and a buck there, here a buck, there a buck, everywhere a buck. Oh, MacDonald, Jenny farmer, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, MacDonald, Jenny farmer, E-I-E-I-O. Vea farmer, E-I, and a buru, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Oh, MacDonald, Jenny farmer, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, MacDonald, Jenny farmer, E-I-E-I-O. Vea farmer, E-I, and a coolie, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there, here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. Oh, MacDonald, Jenny farmer, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, MacDonald, Jenny farmer, E-I-E-I-O. Vea farmer, E-I, and a sipi, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Oh, MacDonald, Jenny farmer, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, MacDonald, Jenny farmer, E-I-E-I-O. Vea farmer, E-I, and a pato, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Oh, MacDonald, Jenny farmer, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, MacDonald, Jenny farmer, E-I-E-I-O. Vea farmer, E-I, and a puaka, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Oh, MacDonald, Jenny farmer, E-I-E-I-O. Tau whakatau hoa e kāti. Let's find the matching card. Ko kuli e. Is this a dog?
Guy.
Ikai. No. Ko kuli e. Is this a dog?
Guy.
Ikai. No. Ko kulie. Is this a dog?
Io, io.
Eel. Yes. Spicy. Ko hosie. Is this a horse?
Guy.
Ikai. No. Ko hosie. Is this a horse?
Guy.
Ikai. No. Ko hosie. Is this a horse?
Io, io.
Eel. Yes. Spicy. Ko puakae. Is this a pig?
Guy.
Ikai. No. Ko puakae. Is this a pig?
Guy.
Ikai. No. Ko puakae. Is this a pig?
Io, io.
Eel. Yes. Spicy. Ko patoe. Is this a duck?
Guy.
Ikai. No. Ko patoe. Is this a duck?
Guy.
Ikai. No. Ko patoe. Is this a duck?
Io, io.
Eel. Yes. Spicy. Ko pulue. Is this a cow?
Guy.
Ikai. No. Ko pulue. Is this a cow?
Guy.
Ikai. No. Ko pulue. Is this a cow?
Io, io.
Eel. Yes. Spicy. Ko moae. Is this a chicken?
Guy.
Ikai. No. Ko moae. Is this a chicken?
Guy.
Ikai. No. Ko moae. Is this a chicken?
Io, io.
Eel. Yes. Spicy. Can you hiva with me? Can you sing with me? Yay! Me and my little pato went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother pato said quack, 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 but only 5 little pato came back. Taha, ua, tolu, fa. 5 little pato went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother pato said quack, 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 quack. taha, ua, tolu. The little pato went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother pato said quack, 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 but only ua little pato came back. Taha, ua. Ua little pato went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother pato said,
Quack, 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 quack.
and only Taha little pato came back. Taha.
Taha.
Taha little pato went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother pato said,
Quack, 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 quack.
and none of her little pato came back. Coffee pato. Sad mother pato went out one day, over the hill and sad loto mamahi. Yeah. Sad mother pato went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother pato said, quack, 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 quack. And only my little pato came back. Yay! Yay! Let's do some puzzles. Koi hai manu ko e ni. What animal is this?
Koi la pisi.
Koi la pisi. It's a rabbit. Koi konga konga e fiha. How many pieces are there?
Tau lau.
Tau lau. Taha, ua, tolu. Let's count. 1, 2, 3.
Now let's put it together.
Now let's put it together.
Go haye.
Koi hae. What's that?
What's that?
Koi la
Bisi.
bisi. It's a rabbit.
Basi basi.
Koi hai manu ko e ni. What animal is this?
Koi moa.
Io ko e moa. It's a chicken. Koi konga konga e fiha. How many pieces are there?
Tau lau.
Tau lau. Let's count. Taha, ua, tolu. 1, 2, 3.
Now let's put it together.
Now let's put it together.
Go haye.
Koi hae. What's that?
What's that?
Io koi moa. It's a chicken.
Basi basi.
Koi hai manu ko e ni. What animal is this?
Go e pato.
Io koi pato. It's a duck. Koi konga konga e fiha. How many pieces are there?
Tau lau.
Tau lau. Let's count. Taha,
Ua tolu.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3.
Now let's put it together.
Now let's put it together.
Go haye.
Koi hae. What's that?
What's that?
Io Io koe pato. It's a duck.
Basi basi.
Koi hae manu ko e ni. What animal is this?
Koe puaka.
Io koe puaka. It's a pig. Koe kongo konga e fiha. How many pieces are there?
Tau lau.
Tau lau. Taha, ua, tolu, fa. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now let's put it together.
Now let's put it together. Koi hae.
Go ahead.
What's that?
What's that?
Io koe puaka. It's a pig.
Basi basi. Koe manu ko eni.
What animal is this? Io koe pulu. It's a cow.
Moo moo.
Koe kongo konga e fiha. How many pieces are there?
Tau lau.
Taha, ua, tolu, fa, nima. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now let's put it together.
Now let's put it together. Koi hae.
Go ahead.
What's that?
What's that? Koe pulu.
It's a cow.
Basi basi.
Koi hae manu ko e ni. What animal is this?
Koe sipi.
Io koe sipi. It's a sheep. Koe kongo konga e fiha. How many pieces are there? Tau lau. Taha, ua, tolu, fa, nima. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now let's put it together.
Now let's put it together. Koi hae.
Go ahead.
What's that?
What's that?
Io koe sipi. It's a sheep. Pasti. Koi hae manu ko e ni. What animal is this?
Koe hoshi.
Koe hosi. It's a horse. Koi kongo konga e fiha. How many pieces are there? Tau lau. Taha, ua, tolu, fa, nima.
Now let's count.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now let's put it together.
Now let's put it together.
Go ahead.
Koi hae. What's that?
What's that?
Io Tayo. Koe hosi. It's a horse.
Basi basi. Mālō, pito, 4, 5.